Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're gonna talk about the IELTS writing task 2 questions, how to write answers in a perfect way with a band 9 so that we can secure greater marks in our writing examination. So let's start. This IELTS writing task 2 questions is a discuss both views and give your own opinion type. So it talks about whether people are born with a natural talent or whether anyone can learn skills like sports or music through practice. So in this essay you are expected to explain both sides clearly, then give your own opinion with reasons and examples. So how to explain and answer the topic for writing task 2. So first we need to paraphrase the question. State that what you will discuss and how your opinion, give a clear opinion. So second, body paragraph. So explain why some people believe talent is natural, just like let's take an example, Messi or Mozart. Body paragraph 2, explain that hard work and training matters, just like give example of Ronaldo. And at the fourth part, give your own opinion paragraph. So clearly say what you believe, support it with logic. Example, hard work is more important than talent. So at last, give conclusion, summarize both the views, restate your opinion clearly. In conclusion, this type of essay requires a balanced discussion of both the viewpoints along with a clear personal opinion. So to achieve a band score, you should use strong examples, advanced vocabulary and logical structure. So at last, I have given you some vocabulary with their meanings. So read it and remember, even if talent is important, IELTS examiner cares more about how clearly and effectively you present your ideas. That's all for today. Signing off.